Well, it's the hurricane season. Hurricane season has already started and the rain is here. This is Gordon Town. Yeah, Gordon Town Square. And today, Tuesday, it is raining cats and dog. See what is happening? Raining. So the hurricane season begins June 1 and it ends November 30th. So you know we have a long stretch to go. Wonder what's going on down at Brookway, you know. That more know because down they're supposed to soak with water, right, you know. It's gonna be a little more challenging down there because it's the rainy season. Yeah man, so that is what is happening in Sweet John down today. Rain in the town. So Gordon Town pretty like a money. So this is the Gordon Town Square. And in the middle, we have Sister Lulu, you know. See her they turn up and I say, welcome. She's greeting you with a bonus welcome to Gordon Town Square. You see what I say? She have some drawings on the wall there of Miss Lou. See there? Bonus welcome to Gordon Town. Yeah man. That's what is happening today. In the town, is what I say. That is what is going on. The roving video girl is out and about. It's raining. That's a go on pan water going, isn't it? Up in the Blue Mountain there. Overcast sky. Raining. Don't know so the thing say. So the thing set up in the hills, enjoying the showers of blessing. Yeah man, that's a go on pan water go on in the day. Yep. Police station over there, so. Police they look like they lock up and now they go and sleep. See there? Lovely glass window, they have AC in there, you know. Hey! Whoa, I don't see one Babylon in the street. And they're afraid of rain. Rain wash them out, then gone in. Go see there, watch TV, you know, I cock up foot or something. Yeah man, that's a go on. Further down the road we have the community center, you know. That's a go on pan water go on in a Gordon Town Square today. And over that side we have a Shine Zinc there. Newly built resource center. And over there so we have post office right with a grey card van there way up the road there, so. Gordon Town post office right there. We have the Methodist Church right over there. Up the road we have Penfield, Enfield, Sugarloaf, Mountain Industry. Yeah. So what's happening, yeah? This is the town. Yeah, Gordon Town. Nice little quiet community. So I say down the road is the way leading to Brookway, you know? Popping. Yeah, down there so we have one shop. Right now we have one wholesale stand up. That's a go on only for bar and shop. Gordon Town is known for bars and shops. Yeah, only for them. That's it for today. Moving video girl. Gordon Town Square. Just for the thing there, isn't it? See it now? Swag on. Water run like wow, you see what I say? Yeah, look at me. You come from school, you know, say a pay boat a race in this year water, you go down the road. That's what I say. The normal thing when you come from school. And rain and fall and water run. Yeah, see man. That's a go on pan water go on.